Welcome to our tutorial on creating your own music recap on YouTube. Let's dive into the exciting world of music editing. First, let's talk about choosing your music clips. Select pieces that resonate with you and connect together to tell a story. For editing, there are great software options like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Cut, trim, and arrange your clips seamlessly. To keep viewers engaged, create a storyline. Think about how each clip will transition and connect with the previous one. Visuals can enhance your music recap. Use images and video footage that match the energy and feel of your selected clips. Incorporate text like titles and captions. Make sure they add to the experience without distracting from the music. Balance your audio levels for a polished finish. Ensure the music complements the spoken elements without overpowering them. Before you finalize your video, check your rendering settings and select the best format for YouTube. When uploading, optimize your title, description, and tags to make your recap easily discoverable. Promote your music recap on different social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Engage with your viewers and share your passion.